Today we're going to show you how to create a blog on Vsble using DropInBlog. Once logged into your Vsble admin account, on the left, make sure you're on the Portfolio tab. Then, to the right of the main navigation, click on this plus icon. And from the drop-down menu, select widget/html/blog. In the pop-up window, under Page Title, name your page. To be simple, we'll type in blog. And under page code here is where you'll paste the 2 lines of code that you'll have to get from your DropInBlog admin account's code and layout page. Now in your DropInBlog account's code and layout page, under blog code, under step 1, click on copy code under the first line of code to copy it. Then go back to your Vsble tab and paste it under page code. We'll do the same thing for the second line of code. Back to your DropInBlog code and layout page. This time, under step 2, click on copy code under the second line of code to copy it. Then, go back to your Vsble tab and paste it right after the first line of code. Once done, on the upper right of the pop-up window, click on Save. You'll be able to see here in the preview that your new blog has been added to your main navigation menu. Under main navigation here on the left, you can also hover over this icon, click and drag and choose your page link's position. Let's place our blog right after home. You'll see it update here on the preview. To check out your live blog, just click on this window icon here up top, and your site will open up in a new tab. Here is your home page. Let's click on blog to check out your live blog. There it is. Click on a post to check it out. And this is a post from your blog. And that is how you create a blog on Vsble using DropInBlog. Happy blogging!